How to combat inflation and keep your money safe. Inflation can have a big impact on your finances and the value of your money. It is important to be aware of its effects and to take measures to protect your money from inflation. In this video, we will share 5 tips to help you combat inflation and keep your money safe. We'll cover topics such as investing in gold, diversifying your investments, utilizing inflation index bonds, and more. Watch on to learn more about how to protect your money from inflation. The rising cost of living has made it harder and harder to keep up with inflation. It seems like no matter how hard we try, our money never goes as far as it used to. But it doesn't have to be that way. With these tips, you'll be able to make your money work for you and increase its purchasing power. So let's get started and learn how to fight inflation and keep your money safe. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. 1. Save in hard assets. When it comes to protecting your money from inflation, one of the most important strategies is to save in hard assets. Hard assets are physical investments that have intrinsic value and are not affected by market fluctuations. Examples of hard assets include precious metals, real estate, and collectibles such as artwork or rare coins. Precious metals such as gold and silver are a popular choice for investors because they are durable and reliable investments that can withstand inflation. Gold and silver prices often move in the opposite direction of stock and bond prices, meaning they can provide a hedge against market fluctuations. Additionally, gold and silver can be stored for long periods of time without losing value. By investing in hard assets, you can protect your money from inflation while reaping the rewards of appreciation over time. It's important to do your research and understand the risks before investing in any hard asset. With proper planning, you can ensure that your investments are secure and ready to weather any economic storm. 2. Diversify your portfolio. Investing in a variety of different assets is key to helping you protect your money from inflation. You want to ensure that you're not putting all your eggs in one basket by investing only in stocks, for instance. Instead, consider diversifying your portfolio and investing in a variety of assets. This can include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, commodities, or other investments. Diversifying your portfolio will help spread out the risks associated with inflation. However, if you have diversified your portfolio and have investments in other asset classes, such as bonds or commodities, you may be able to offset some of those losses. Furthermore, if inflation is low and stock prices go up, the gains from your other investments may help bolster your portfolio. By having a diverse portfolio, you can balance out the risks of investing and keep your money safe from inflation. 3. Stay disciplined with your spending. In order to protect your finances from the effects of inflation, it's important to stay disciplined with your spending. When you're tempted to overspend on something, consider the long-term consequences of those purchases. Make sure that you're only buying what you truly need and avoid impulse purchases. It's also important to try to save as much as possible, so consider ways you can reduce your expenses or cut back on certain items. Finally, make sure to review your budget regularly and track your spending to make sure you stay within your means. If you find yourself struggling to make ends meet, look for ways you can generate extra income or reduce your expenses further. With some discipline and planning, you can keep your money safe from inflation. 4. Invest in quality companies. When it comes to investing, one of the best ways to combat inflation and keep your money safe is to invest in quality companies. Investing in quality companies means investing in those with strong fundamentals, a track record of consistent financial performance, and potential for growth. This type of investment also provides potential for capital appreciation over time. When investing in quality companies, research is key. You should focus on researching and analyzing the company's financial statements and operations to gain a better understanding of their competitive advantage in the marketplace. Additionally, pay attention to the industry they are in and the trends that are affecting the sector. In summary, investing in quality companies is one of the best ways to combat inflation and keep your money safe. By doing your research, focusing on cost efficiency, and looking for stocks with good dividend yields, you can make sure that your investments are helping you combat inflation and remain safe over time. 5. Review your investments regularly. It is important to stay on top of your investments and review them regularly. This will help you make sure that you are taking full advantage of any market opportunities and keeping your money safe from inflation. By reviewing your investments regularly, you can identify any areas where you may be exposed to high levels of inflation or other risks. You can then make changes to your portfolio to limit those risks or diversify into other areas. Regularly reviewing your investments also allows you to check that you are still on track with your financial goals. This could include ensuring that you are investing enough money in long-term plans, such as retirement funds, or making sure that you are not over-investing in volatile assets. Another benefit of regularly reviewing your investments is that it can give you insight into how the markets are performing, which can provide valuable information for future investment decisions. Finally, it is important to remember that the markets can change rapidly and unexpectedly, so regular reviews are essential in order to ensure that your money is safe from inflation and that your investments are performing well. Thank you for watching.